Welcome class. This video is to help you understand better how to navigate the week 1 writing assignment. So here we are, and we are in the week 1 module. And if you need to get there, you can accomplish that by clicking on the week 1 link right down here on the left-hand navigation bar. Now we're going to slide down to the assignment itself. And the entire assignment is here, present on this opening page. However, let's take a quick look at the directions, right? Narrative writing tells a story. It's a general overview, the writing process, discovery, drafting, revision, and publishing. These are the steps we're going to take over the entire term. Here we have in the discovery process, also called pre-writing, we generate ideas, explore options, and gather connected thoughts to build a foundation for the essay. After generating ideas, we begin to organize by creating an outline which serves as a framework for the essay. Next, we draft the essay, presenting the ideas for the first time in a logical order with focus on our audience and purpose. Okay? All of that's great, and this is basically pretty much what we're going to do this week. This week, we will complete a discovery activity, create an outline, and draft the introductory paragraph of our essay. To complete this assignment, download these instructions as a Word document using the link above. Respond to the 3 prompts and draft the opening of your essay. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on the link. Right, here it is. We are going to open this up, enable editing. And now we're going to save as. Click on File, Save As. I'm going to go to this PC. And here we go. And so I'm going to go into Documents. For me, I have a file called Kaiser. And here's my basic English. Right, and so we have the week 1 worksheet. I'm going to get rid of that 7. I don't need that. It's the number of times I've been through this. And then I click Save. Replace the existing file. Okay, so now here we are, week 1 worksheet, and it's saved into my computer. So as I read through, and it says, before you begin choosing a topic, explore each possible topic by writing a sentence using the same sentence pattern as demonstrated in the example. So we're looking at sentence structure and sentence patterns. When the beady-eyed raccoon darted out from behind my sofa, I knew it was time to find a new apartment. And so my sentence could be, when the giant palmetto bug flew at me, I slammed the door and ran for safety. That did actually happen. Okay? So that's my sentence. Now you can go through and you do the whole thing. Okay? Your story begins, you fill it all out, organizing and creating an outline. Then you're going to complete the following. Write one sentence introducing your topic story. You could very easily put it right here. Right? You might choose, that's not what I meant to do. You might choose to put it down here. Start again. Okay? All of these things are an option. And then, because I have a PC, I'm going to do Control S to save it again. Okay? So now it's in my computer. It is saved in my computer. Okay? I'm going to go back down here to Chrome. I'm going to click on the assignment itself. And so here we are in the submission field. The assignment is here again. It's the worksheet. And by submitting this paper, you agree that you are submitting your paper to be used and stored as part of SafeAssign. This is what we'll check for plagiarism. So you can click Write Submission, and it's going to open this up, and you can write it directly in here if you'd like. But what we're going to do is we're going to browse my computer because I have it saved in my computer. I'm going to go into Basic English. Here we have the week 1 worksheet. We're going to open it. And looky there. There it is. And these are the documents that it will save that I can read. So if it doesn't end in one of these, I can't read it. So Pages on Mac, I cannot see. And then you're going to click Plagiarism Tools. I agree to submit my paper to the Global Reference Database. If you'd like to add comments, like I had a lot of trouble with such and such, could you give me feedback on something? You can type a message to Olbondo. She can type. Okay? You can type it in here. And then you click Submit. And it's going to take it away. And off it goes. So this particular assignment really is simply about filling out this particular worksheet. Now, if you do not have any of the programs, what we can do, right, is we're going to highlight all of this. Just, maybe. Is it going to do it? Let's go back. We can go back to week 1. This is a way to get around it if you do not have what you need. Okay, so we're going to highlight it starting with the W, and we're just going to slide down. It should do it now. Organizing the outline to right here. And we're going to do Control C, right? That's Control Copy. I'm going to come back in here. We're going to come to Write Submission. Put your cursor in the field, and then Control V. There it is. And so now you can open it up with those arrows. And I realize the coloring's off. This happens sometimes. Just ignore it and go ahead and write your sentence. Write your work here. Okay? And when you're finished, you've filled out the whole thing. You can shrink it down. And it's in here. So you can save it as a draft and come back to it. Saving it as a draft is probably good. That way you can continue working. If you click cancel, everything's going to be gone. And then you can click, but to submit it, you just click submit. So you have 2 different options. One, browse my computer if you have the programs that support these documents, or you just cut and paste and you can put it into the submission field itself. Those are your options. Okay? So that is how you submit the week 1 assignment. It is only the worksheet. You don't need to do anything else. You do need to hand this with this particular worksheet in. Alrighty, I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Take care.